to the channel, folks. Today it's quarter glass install. A lot of you had requested on my social media that I do a video when installing the quarter glass. So I got the rubber already on the window and I'll go ahead and do an install video. My daughter's going to film my wife and I do this so that you can see firsthand what's going on and get a close-up of it actually. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. The windshield you've seen in one of my previous videos is already done. The rear and the left window are done. So we'll do the passenger rear. Per request of a lot of people, I guess you want to see this. Make sure you buy good quality seals, because if you don't go through somebody like West Coast Metric or something like that, the seals will be harder to work with. They won't be as soft and forgiving. So make sure you get one that's good quality and keep silicone on hand. I'll show you what I'm going to use while we're doing the video. So let's get on it. Okay, so this is what I was talking about with the silicone. I use Blaster silicone. Now I also have on hand CRC, but I prefer this. It's a little more slippier. Watch with this on paint, especially fresh paint. Silicone will wreck a paint job. So that's my disclaimer. If you do something stupid and your paint gets ruined, that's on you. My paint's older and it's been on here for a while. If you're doing this and then you're going to repaint soon, make sure you get all this off with lacquer thinner or whatever you need to get it off the metal. You want to take a walk over here. I already got the rubber on. It's already seated all around the glass. I have a little rope tape there. And of course, just like the windshield video, the rope is tucked in here, okay? And you're overlapping these before you tape them up, and then you just start pulling. The silicone's gonna get sprayed around here. Just around here. You don't spray it on the body of the car. So, let's do that first. Okay, you're getting it around here so it slips into the channel. Wow. Okay, so we're ready. The rope's in. We got some silicone sprayed around it. Let's get started. My daughter's doing some filming and my wife is, helping me. Okay. Okay, hold it right there. Okay, right there. Okay. Get glasses on. You can see how the rubber is coming over. And it can get a little rough to pull. Okay, push it in up here a little. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, it's popping off the top. Oh, watch hitting your glass. Don't hit it real hard. Wow, it's stuck. Oh, I just pulled the headliner out. This one's giving me a fight. The other one went right in. The other ones went right in. Only when you're filming, these things happen. Wow. Gotta get the last little bit out. It's not even. Okay. Remember, don't use a hammer fist with your hand. Do a slapping motion. Or a folded seat. I'm gonna have to fix the headliner there. It's not in all the way. There we go, it's coming in more and more. I gotta try to okay, that's the headliner there causing problems. I'll have to reach in there and trim it slightly. But that's it. All it's lipped all the way around. That's my headliner there. You can see the other side once I fixed the headliner, how it came up real neat. So you come out here now. It's a plastic trim tool that people use for interior work. Let me try back here to get it started. Just keep working it out. Buy a plastic trim tool set. Move slow so you don't rip the rubber. I should have did what I did if you watched the windshield video, is put an outer rope around the outer lip to pull it and it comes out. Watch doing this. If you're not used to it, you'll break that window. That's it. So, the inside of the rubber at the top I'll fix because the headliner was real thick right there and that's why you're seeing that. But it's seated properly and it's in. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. The other ones went in the same way. It really was not an issue. This one caused me a little issue because of the headliner up top. So other than that, that is it. Be careful with the silicone around the paint. Okay?